What's good, everybody on YouTube? Today, I have the New Balance 1906R slash 1906D in the Castlerock colorway, a part of the Protection Pack or Redefined Future Pack made popular by the New Balance 2002R. If you're a sneakerhead or just overall in the sneaker community, you know how the age, distress, layered look is very popular right now, and these New Balances 1906R or 1906D definitely follows suit. They retail for $160 and they're a great pair for just overall everyday wear. They're stylish, they're fashionable, they're definitely in trend right now. So if you want to, go ahead, get your hands on these. The crazy thing is, I got my pair back in December for retail early before the shoes even came out. Right now it's April and I got them in December and I'm just making the review. That's crazy. I could have been one of the first few people on YouTube to have a review, but I just didn't have the time, didn't have the energy. But the review is coming to y'all now and hopefully y'all enjoy it. First, let's get into the design and appearance of the shoe. The whole entire shoe is covered in a base layer of gray mesh. So starting with the toe box, we can see we have gray mesh. Right above that, we have a piece of gray leather with the classic and New Balance logo. Moving on from that, we have this layered hairy suede that goes from light gray to dark gray. The layered look of the shoe gives the impression that someone or something is just ripping it apart. Just like imagine an animal attack, this shoe kind of looks like that. Moving on to the side of the shoe, we can see more of that layered look and texture going on. We have light suede, we have dark suede, and we also have 3M strips that hold the laces in place. The laces are cream and once again held in place by reflective 3M material. The two straps in the middle go below the mesh and re-impair as the New Balance logo, like I just mentioned. The back of the shoe features more of that gray suede with another leather patch stating 1906D. The heel has a dark gray TPU clip to add structure to the shoe. Now let's move on to the tongue. We have more of that gray mesh with a leather overlay featuring more New Balance branding. I think it would be a great touch if they made that leather overlay on the tongue 3M, but they just made that little part that holds the laces 3M, which I'm also fine with. The back of the tongue and the interior of the shoe is more of that gray mesh that we've been seeing, but this time it's much lighter. The insole is more of the same with that New Balance 1906D branding. So this shoe model is called the New Balance 1906R, but as you can see from the shoe, it states 1906D. I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, the 1906D stands for distressed because the shoe definitely looks distressed and that would make more sense. And I only go to say this because the box says 1906R. So we know that that is what the shoe model is called. And just once again, because they have that distressed look, it would only make sense that the D on the shoe stands for distressed. So now moving back into the appearance of the shoe, the midsole is the exact same one used in the New Balance 2002R, but this time it's a cream color, and the outsole is black rubber with a cream color TPU plate. In terms of fit, I'm a size 12, and I got these in a size 12. They're a little bit roomy, but it doesn't bother me. I like room in my shoes. It helps with the comfortability. So go true to size and you have nothing to worry about. These New Balances are a great everyday shoe. If you want a pair, go ahead and get them. They're not limited and you can find them on almost every single sneaker site there is. Don't pay resale because you can definitely get them for retail. And if they're ever sold out anywhere, just wait a few days, maybe even a few weeks, but you can definitely get your pair for retail or if you're lucky, below that. The quality and craftsmanship of this shoe is definitely there. I have no glue stains, no loose stitching. These shoes are almost perfect. Although some people may not like it, I'm a big fan of this distressed layered look. So I'll definitely put these on very, very soon. I'm thinking I might rock this Yankees jacket with the shoes. Before you say anything about the Yankees in the comments, I'm from New York City, so I will always rep our New York City teams. That even goes for the Giants, the Jets, the Knicks, the Nets. Our teams may suck here and there, but this is my land, this is my home, and I will rock the teams always. Before we go any further, my name is Claxton, and this is my sneaker review series, Kicks Off with Chris, on my platform, Something Like Media. If you like what you see, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you like sneakers, fashion, photography, make sure you subscribe because I have more videos coming soon. I post almost every single day. Now, in the comments below, let me know what you think about this Castlerock colorway and the refined Future collection in general. Thank you for tapping in with me. I checked in, now I'm checking out. Peace.